Hello, David here, and the project for today is providing an update on these Pyramex reading glasses. I did a YouTube video on these not long ago when I got them. I really like them. They're great glasses, and these are actually safety reading glasses. So they're safety glasses that come with a diopter to match whatever reading glasses you need. I happen to use a 2.0, and these have been great. I wear them all the time. I even wear them when I'm out and about, and people tell me they like the styling, and they can't believe it when I tell them they're safety glasses. They don't work like goggles. If you're in a real dusty environment, you will get some dust, like sawdust, will get into your eyes, but they keep items from blowing into your eye because these are high-impact lenses. So I use them for grinding and sawing wood and welding. I wear them under my welding helmet. The only problem I have is these plastic cushions on the earpieces, or whatever they call these things. They split and they're coming off. And I thought, well, I could just take them off and wear them without them. And I thought it might not be comfortable. And I thought, for the heck of it, let's try seeing if I could put some heat shrink tubing on it. Got this heat shrink tubing from Harbor Freight. Let's see if this one will fit. I want to put the heat shrink tubing on over the existing cushions just to give me more cushioning. I don't know, it might be too much cushioning, and it might squeeze my head and cause my brains to come out of my ears. Pretty much fits for the most part. Okay, my other thought was that if I could heat shrink it, the ends of these earpieces have a little barb on the end that should keep it from slipping off. Okay, so got my Harbor Freight heat gun here. I'll try it on low first. One thing that could be harmful, for one thing, make sure this is all the way forward. One thing that could be harmful is that these earpieces are plastic, and if you get it too hot, you'll melt and misshape these earpieces, and they won't fit your head. Then you're going to have to get plastic surgery to get your head to fit the glasses. I see something molten is squeezing out through the end there. I did the other side as well. Here are my observations. I'll be trimming this little flow of plastic off. If you're going to try this, make sure you got the writing that's on the shrink tube. Make sure that's facing to the inside, not the outside, because it'll probably look funny if you're wearing these and that's showing on the outside. Also, the shrink tube does not shrink tightly around the loose part of the original tubing. So what I did while it was hot was I had to hold it in place around the barb in the earpiece to give it a shape so it wouldn't pull off. And it's kind of hot, so if you're going to try this, You need either a pair of gloves or a pair of pliers. I use the blades of the scissor to hold them in, and I did that on both ends. Excuse me, I did that on both ends. I don't want to really yank on it too hard because it might ruin it, but it seems to be kind of snug. I don't know how long this is going to last. Just one of the goofy things I come up with, but you can see where I squeezed it. I don't know, can you see where I squeezed it? See near the barb over here? Just tried it on my head and I can't feel it's there, so it's not squeezing too tightly. So I'm going to wrap this up. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.
Gun owners of America. Gun owners of America.
Gun owners of America.
Gun owners of America. Gun owners of America.
If you're sitting at home and you contribute to the gun owners of America, stop giving.
The only no-compromise gun group in Washington.
They're tougher than the NRA, aren't they?
That's right.
The NRA is bad, really bad. Gun owners of America is even worse than bad.
We do not support gun control. We do not support gun control fully loaded. We do not support gun control light. We have opposed every gun control at the federal level.
After days of silence following the Las Vegas attack, the NRA announced it was backing new regulations on bump stocks.
Interestingly enough, while the NRA is saying maybe we should regulate, restrict these bump stocks, Eric Pratt says no.